Nah, Toys throwing some names out there I ain't never heard of. Toys
You
throwing
hear
them
me?
out
I
there,
said,
bro.
what?
Yeah,
Who the
Toys
hell
throwing
is
them out
this?
there.
What? I gotta see that Slim Chicken. You hear me? I'm about
Slim
to look
chicken.
them up. You hear
You
me?
said you
I'm
said
like, what?
you
They
said
gotta
Slim
be
Thug
smashing
made
some
that.
Slim Thug in that bitch. You hear me?
Publix chicken. Yeah, we got Publix. We got the Publix grocery store. We got that.
Okay.
You know what's crazy? My daughter went to a sleepover. I had to carry her to Publix because she ordered some chicken for the sleepover. They had a Halloween party sleepover. And I took her to
And that
Publix
what
for
she
some chicken.
wanted.
Yeah, she had to go to Publix to get the chicken. She ordered like a 20-piece wings or some shit like that.
Boy, that must be on fire
So
then. They got some
she had to
shit.
bring the wings to the party. She ordered like a 20-piece.
Okay, shit. You can't go wrong. Shoot. Hey, you got some good chicken, say they gonna come get it. No cow.
Cause Publix, it was another grocery store down here. It was U Crops. It was U Crops first. Then they changed it to Publix.
Oh shit. Yeah.
Cause U Crops bought the
What?
store Publix out. You know what I'm saying? They had some U Crops had some good chicken too. But then they changed it to Publix.
Boy, I tell you, boy, say we ain't got that down here. Unless I just ain't seen where that motherfucker at. Because boy, y'all got some names on this motherfucker. Dallas looking what? Oh, what?
We got it.
Oh shit.
We got that too, Taurus. We got that store too. I just don't know how to pronounce that shit.
Yeah, nigga, me fucking said some shit.
We got that
Damn,
Joe too.
weird. Damn, y'all got some shit.
Yeah, we got that Joe too.
Yeah, y'all got some new stores. Shit, Dallas ain't got that shit yet. Coming soon. Shit, yeah, man. Shit, we ain't got that shit. Y'all got some good shit.
Idol, however you said, yeah, we got that. ALDI idol, however you said, we got that shit.
Yeah, yeah,
We
that's the
got
name.
that.
Yeah,
We
bar.
got that.
We ain't got that. I ain't got that shit. Bar. Oh, I don't know where the fuck it ain't in my jurisdiction. Put it like that. Then. You hear me? Yeah,
Jurisdiction.
let's put it like that. You hear me? It ain't in my jurisdiction. Let me say that. Then. You hear me? Y'all bars. I ain't for a lot of y'all. Be like, yes, it is. It ain't in my jurisdiction. You hear me? Bars. So let me say that shit. You did. I ain't seen it.
Come here, Mage. What you doing, Mage?
Uh-oh, Major. That's my dog. He is a dog, okay, y'all? That's my dog.
Come here,
Yeah,
Mage.
yeah, that
There
Major
you go.
Payne. What's up? Look at him, he
What
ready.
you
He like,
doing,
let's
man?
go play. Major Payne. Ooh-wee.
He love
Y'all
chicken
better
too.
stop
Major love
playing.
chicken, bro. He love chicken, man.
Hell yeah. You ain't playing no games.
Yeah, yeah, no bullshit.
Hell yeah, shit, Major, you hear me? No cap and shit. That's
Major,
my dog. Yeah,
Major
Major
don't be
don't play.
playing. Fire in the hole.
Yeah, we the best, y'all. Everybody tap in, be safe. Yeah, we the best YouTube family bars. I told y'all, man. Everybody tap in, link in, man. We ain't doing nothing but minding our business. You already know. Yeah, man. Everybody go subscribe. Everybody go subscribe to damn
Hey,
bars.
hey, Toys gang, where you want that? Where you want that gun bag from? I seen your last video. You said you want a gun bag or
Yeah,
something.
I think that was on. Damn, what channel was that? It was one of the gun bros. I saw that too.
I'm ready to start doing stuff like that. Like I said, I finally got my chopper season mags. So I'm gonna start, you know what I'm saying, sending them Jones to people that I mess with. I'm gonna send you one, even though you don't got no chopper, you getting one.
Okay, bar.
I may have to do some AR James too. You know what I'm saying? Send you an AR James. I
Yeah,
know you got that.
virtue. Yeah, I knew it was some with a V. Already virtue. Yeah, that's one of the
Monte
other
Guns.
bro.
Okay. Okay.
Bar, cause I already, you already
I
know.
don't think I follow. I'm gonna have to follow that. I don't think I follow him.
I
I may do. You know, I follow so many
he
people. You
came
know
to
what
the
I'm saying?
channel, but yeah, you probably
Okay.
didn't catch on to him. Yeah, you been grinding, bro. It's a lot of more people that came to the channel, no cap. But right now they might be on live right now too. Matter of fact, yeah, they be
Tactical.
on
Okay.
live like a
Tactical
bitch.
pistol page. Okay. Yeah. You know what I'm saying? I be watching them videos. I be on everybody's videos now.
Yeah, cause hey, I got a couple of them that came to the channels. We
Almost
got a
won the
couple more
Glock
gun
on
bros.
his live. Okay.